Hey my friends, welcome back in. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ashley. What's up? This is my third organization video in my series. This one is all about my closet and I am jumping right into getting her clean. Guys, if you don't already, go ahead and follow me on my social, ashley.d.bunny. But for now, let's just get to this clean up. We got a lot of work to do, y'all. Let's go. So I am starting with getting everything on the floor pushed in its respectful place, whether it's its permanent location or a pile. I have a donation pile, a trash pile. You guys will see I do definitely work off the pile system. As you can also notice, hubby's side is pretty much already good to go. He keeps his things very well organized, but I'm just putting a few little things that was on the floor back to where it's supposed to be. You guys have definitely seen how I organize my baskets. I hang these baskets to house my gym clothes. So yeah, I have a basket for pants and a basket for tops, as well as an accessory basket. Yeah, so you guys will see how I get that all folded and situated. Okay, so now that laundry is done, you guys can see how my drawers look full. I kind of switched it up. I have all of my sports bras and things here, the padded ones over here, and then some tops that I typically never wear. I'm usually on this side with the workouts. This one is just my gym leggings and shorts. Another thing that I added was my favorite hats. I went ahead and I used the Dollar Tree hooks to hang up my hats. So I just bought one pack of 4 for me, and I hung up my favorite hats here. I also have a few hats still in here. This is pretty much hats that I would definitely work out in, and some flat hats down at the bottom. I have some shapewear over here, as well as like my fanny pack. Just to give you guys a little update of what happened, my phone did die, so I did finish this area here. What I want to show you guys is I have extra hair pieces in here, this is a Hush. I do shop Hush here in Houston sometime. This is an air freshener just to keep everything all fresh. The jewelry that was in this box I put in here. These jewelry pieces I don't really use, but some of them hold sentimental value, so I wanted to keep it. For this is my favorite. I put all of my gel polishes and fingernail polishes, as well as press-ons, in this little Tahiri Home Collection box, and it is just such a pretty box to hold such a pretty thing. So yeah, I'm happy about that. My little bracelet, which is the anniversary gift, my jewelry. This one is empty, so she'll have a home sooner or later with some things in her. All of my MAC empties go in here, as well as this cute thing here. This is just a decorative piece from tjmaxx, and my belts. What else I did? The other thing that I did was I took all of my nail stuff. My nail kit used to be in here, which came from Dollar Tree, and I put it into this acrylic bin because it just looks crisp and clean. This was an extra from my bathroom organization video, so I used the extra one for my nail stuff, and I think that just looks so much nicer in here. I cannot hold myself to get rid of this thing. My sister got this made for me when she went to Jamaica, and it has my name on it. To ensure that this part looks a bit nicer, I am going to organize each piece by color. This top section is solely tops and blouses. I do have some workout tops as far as like sweatshirts in the very back, but I'm just going to organize it by color. And I also use this area to hang up larger accessories, such as my hat, that's my favorite hat up front, and some purses and a big hat in the back. I'm also going to make sure that the hangers are all, put in the same spot. And what I mean by that is I have spacing between the hangers, as well as making sure that there's no loose hangers without clothing on them in the midst of the blouses. What I did to my clothes is I color coordinated them. So this is this side, which y'all saw me organizing the video. Those are my pants that I also did. So let me get a close-up on those. I love how I folded my shorts. I just folded them this lengthwise. So I thought they look really cute that way. And I have skirts, and then I have dress slacks, and then jeans. So over here I did kind of color block the same way. Over here I have my dresses kind of going into a color scheme. It goes from whites to neutrals, pinks, reds, oranges, yellows, blue, black, and then it does go back to white down here because this thing right here is like super long. If you guys remember my birthday video, that is that thing I had on with my lingerie, and it was just so cute. So yeah. All right, now it's time for me to get these shoes in line. You guys, these pretty much stay how they are. I have not really put my foot in heels in God knows how long, but I did have a few that I wanted to push up here, you know, just to make it look cute. But yeah, that's it. That's all. It's my shoes. Me and my sneaks have been doing just fine. This back section is where it gets a little bit tricky. What I'm doing now is I'm moving my swimwear into one crate. Also back here, you guys are going to see in a few, are my hot tools. If you watch my bathroom video, you would have seen, you know, me pulling things from underneath my sink and putting them in this basket. And this last one is actually additional film equipment that, you know, I don't either use on the regular or just don't really have a home. So yeah, this is their home now. And that's what I have here. You know that one bag that, you know, every, you know, person has in their closet that they throw all of their extra hair in? Yeah, this is that bag for me. And I have put this bag out of commission, stuffing it with a whole bunch of stuff that I really should just throw away. So that is exactly what I'm doing right now. I am putting everything that I want in that hot tool crate that I showed you guys in the last clip. And then this bag goes back into weekender bag mode. I am putting it inside of my suitcase, so when I am ready to go out for the weekend, this is the one that I'll be grabbing. I honestly could not believe how much stuff fit inside this bag. Granted, I had been throwing things off in this corner for a minute. This is also a combination of the things that came from that corner. Yeah, guys, I downsized a lot. I am thankful, I am happy, and my closet is 10 pounds lighter. Notice the throwing motion that you see quite often. Everything that I'm throwing into my bathroom because those are things that are definitely getting thrown away. Most of the little baggy bags, like that black one right there, is also going to get tossed aside. All right, guys, so I just finished getting everything up off the floor. What I have now is a whole lot of trash and what's being donated. I did move my suitcase to this side. I'm just going to leave it here. You know, it's in my closet. I need it for storage or whatever. My gym bag and my yoga mat. Our foot spas, so some hubbies and mine, and then, you know, some tripods. I needed a space to put them. There you go. This area behind my shirts, I need more storage, guys. So yeah, I got my wig block mannequin head, my hair dryer, all of my swimwear, even, you know, sunscreens are in here. In here is like extra filming supplies, and like deep down in there are like some thick winter pajamas. It's two thick winter pajamas that just did not fit in my drawers. And then these are all of my hot tools that I did not keep in the bathroom because I don't use this stuff a lot, but I still wanted to keep them because, you know, a girl likes switching it up. So as far as other bags in my closet behind that row of tops, again, I do have some purses hanging up. This is definitely a summer purse. This is a free bag from Victoria's Secret, but I thought it was super cute and I did not want to get rid of it. So yeah, I have this and this. I have my Michael Kors bag, my everyday backpack, and then just this beach hat. I love this beach hat. It's so cute. My shoes, which you guys have seen, these are like dressier shoes or whatever. Like, of course, it goes down to heels, and then underneath is like really the shoes that I wear all the time. Those are new. Those are the same ones in white. My Adidas, some Chucks, and then my old and, you know, my Riders, my Pumas, which have a hole in them now, but I'm not giving them up yet because I love them. This has nothing to do with organization, but I've had this thing for years and I think it's just so pretty. But it does reside over our laundry. The only thing, I lie, I do keep my ironing board back here, and this Swiffer mop, because you know this is what I use to clean my bathroom, and my closet is attached to my bathroom. The iron is up here, and then you know the stuff that you need to iron with. Babe's shoes are here, which leads me on to his side of the closet, which you know was already kind of cute or whatever. So yeah, he has all of his shoes, and then all of his clothes, and more of his shoes down here. His suitcase is here. He decided to hang up his belts with just little clear pegs or whatever. So yeah, and then we have some more workout stuff in his flops. Right behind our door, we do keep our robes. That's my robe, and then Bae's robe on the side. That little bag there is the bag for our massager. So here we've had his hats hung up here before, but we had them up here with little pegs again. However, I found these off of Amazon. I think they are just so cute and simple. They just stick right onto the wall. So yeah, I'm gonna link those down below, but we just switched those out and put those there. So now it's just look really sleek, and we don't have the issue of his hats falling off, because that was a problem in the past using the basic pegs. So yeah, I think I went over all of my good old organization. Let's do this one more time with my belts. I do roll my belts. The belts that I wear most are on top. So yeah, that's what that looks like. Next to that is my nail kit. Now it's a little sloppy now. This is not how it was in the original video, but I obviously added stuff. So I bought this and this, which I have to fit in here. It's kind of much for this case right now, but I'll organize it later. I'll figure it out. Right next to that, I have my sewing kit. So this has like extra fabrics, needles, thread, all that good stuff. Buttons. I keep all of my buttons, so all of my outfits, all Alana outfits in here. After that, all of my flat shoes and sandals, I keep all of mine here. So that's the only other thing that's on that rack underneath my shoes. Underneath my shirts are my flat shoes that I keep right in there. So yeah, now I do believe that is all that my closet has entailed. Alright, that's going to be all for this video, guys. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and follow along on the other videos in this series. Until next time, guys, peace.